On your mark. Get set. Eat. Doing awesome. Those bones are clean. Doing amazing. Oh, I think you might have swallowed some bone. You're doing great. Get that done. Halfway done. Five seconds left. Get these things clean. Get it clean. Time. You got 30 seconds to clean. Oh, I think you ate some bone. Look at that.
I ate some bones.
Oh, your mouth is already clean. Oh,
Woo!
Speed's the man.
Hey, Mickey, that was for you. You told me to get messy, so I got messy.
You got 3 more chances to get more of a head start.